Nystrom. In this video, we will show you how to install the retrofit roof hatch. Before you begin, please make sure you read the installation manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and installation tips. To ensure proper installation and performance of the product, the following actions must be completed by the installer. Installation. Begin by removing the cover opening at a specified location for your retrofit roof hatch. Remove the old and damaged cover and hardware. Clean top of the existing roof hatch curb, and apply a full bead of caulk all the way around the existing curb. With some assistance, place the retrofit roof hatch on top of the existing roof hatch curb. Slowly lower it in place. Install the brackets and fasten to the existing curb. Use the appropriate fasteners as needed. The brackets accept up to 3/8 of an inch diameter fastener. If installing on a job-built curb, prefab, concrete or other style curb, bend the brackets to attach. Fully tighten all fasteners. Congratulations! Installation of the retrofit roof hatch is now complete. For more information on installation, repair, or replacement, please visit us online at nystrom.com. Enjoy your new retrofit roof hatch. Brought to you by Nystrom.